Hello and welcome. Let's chat about something small but mighty. Your incentive spirometer. This handy little device is key to keeping your lungs healthy after surgery or during bed rest. So, what is it and why should you care? An incentive spirometer measures how deeply you can breathe in. It helps open your lungs, prevent pneumonia, and clear out mucus that can build up when you're not moving. After surgery, your lungs might not expand fully, which can lead to atelectasis, or small areas of lung collapse. Using this device trains your lungs to expand again and boosts oxygen flow throughout your body. When should you use it? Your healthcare provider might suggest using it every 1 to 2 hours while you're awake. It's especially helpful during recovery from surgery or any illness that limits deep breathing. Before you start, sit up straight, or as upright as you can comfortably manage. Hold the spirometer at eye level and relax your shoulders. Take a normal breath out before you begin. Now, here's how to use it step by step. Seal your lips tightly around the mouthpiece. Breathe in slowly and deeply through your mouth, not your nose. Watch the indicator rise inside the chamber as you inhale. Try to keep the small ball or piston within the target range. Hold your breath for 3 to 5 seconds at the top of your inhale to help your lungs expand fully. Remove the mouthpiece and exhale normally. Rest for a few seconds, then repeat this 10 times each session, or as your nurse advises. After each set, a gentle cough can help clear any mucus loosened by deep breathing. Keep your spirometer close and use it often. Consistency is key. Make it part of your daily routine and aim to use it every hour while you're awake. If you feel lightheaded, take a break and pause for a moment. Clean the mouthpiece daily with warm, soapy water and let it air dry. Record your best volume each day. You'll see your lung strength improving. Remember, every deep breath is a step toward recovery. Using your incentive spirometer regularly keeps your lungs open, oxygen flowing, and complications at bay. So, sit tall, breathe deep, and give your lungs the exercise they truly deserve.